Hello friends, so welcome. In this video I'm going to create the admin middleware and also create the road and the blade for the admin panel. So let's go to the VS Code in the roads, but before that let's create, we are in the REST app, let's create the middleware, so PHP artisan make middleware, and I'm going to give it a name admin. Okay, let's close this, open that admin middleware, and here we say return next request, but first we need to check if the user is logged in and is authenticated, and also if it's admin. So let's check if it's not authenticated, and if it's not admin, we are going to abort, otherwise we are going to leave the go to the next request. So let's say if it's not out, and check for the authentication, and or is not admin, so auth user is admin, and now here we need to say if the user is admin is 1, because by default is 0, and let's say abort with 403, and let's save this. Let's go to the kernel PHP, in the kernel HTTP kernel, and register that middleware in the road middleware, and I'm going to name it admin, and we need to add the admin middleware, not seeder, because we have also the seeders, and say class. Let's save this and close, open the web roads, and let's create one more road here. So I'm going to say road and middleware. Here we are going to add the authenticated and also the admin. Also, I'm going to give it a name, which is going to be admin dot. So after this is coming the others name roads, and also add the prefix to be admin, and now add the group, add the closure, and here is going to be the roads. Let's create also the controller for admin controller. I'm going to say artisan, so PHP artisan make controller, and I'm going to say admin / admin, or welcome controller, what I can say admin controller, hit enter, and let's go to the admin controller now. Here I'm going to create a new method, so create a function with a name index, and we are going to return, for now just return the view admin .index. We don't have that, so we need to create. Let's save and let's go inside the resources, views, and first I'm going to create a new folder, admin, and inside here a new file, index.blade.php. And if you go to the layouts, we can create also the component or a layout for, let's save this. Save this as admin layout. So not app layout, but change to be admin. Hit save and leave it. Now, also we need to go to the views, app views, and we have this app layout component. This is component class. Let's save this as admin. Okay, admin layout, and we need to change also here the name of the class to be admin and the layouts admin now. Let's save this, close, and here instead of saying what we have in dashboard, so let's copy and paste here. Instead of saying X app, we are going to say X admin, and let's save this. Now in the controller we return this view. Okay, let's go here and say route, and I'm going to say get slash. Okay, and here we are going to add the admin controller class, and the method is index. Now we can give it a name. So the name just index, because we added admin in here. So admin.index. Okay, let's save this. Let's go to the browser and open the project, which is resto-app.test. Let's go and log in with as admin. So we need to say admin gmail.com, and the password is just password. Let's save this, and now if I go to the admin, yeah, we are in the admin. Now if I log out, let's register as a test user. And I'm going to save it for this one. So we are now as a test user. Let's go to the admin. And we have 403 forbidden. We return it with admin middleware, so 403. Okay. Now that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to change the admin layout, because right now we have the same as the app layout. In the next video, we need to change that. So if I go to the admin, okay, we have the same thing. So let's do that in the next video. See you there, friends.